Unlock and open the vent panel. To confirm the rollers need to be adjusted, position the vent panel close to the lock jamb and inspect the reveal. The reveal between the panel and the frame lock jamb should be even along the entire height of the panel. In this case, inspecting the reveal indicates the gap at the top is greater than at the bottom, so either the roller furthest from the jamb needs to be raised or the roller closest to the jamb needs to be lowered, or a combination of both. Other reasons the rollers may need to be adjusted is the panel sits too low on the track and the panel is hard to open and close, or the lock is hard to operate because the lock does not align well with the lock keeper. Use a stiff blade putty knife or pick tool to remove the hole plugs. Position a suction cup above the roller to be adjusted. Lift the panel to take the weight off the roller whenever adjusting the roller panel height upward. Insert a Phillips screwdriver into the adjustment hole and turn the adjustment screw. Turn the adjustment screw clockwise to raise one side of the panel. Turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise to lower one side of the panel. If needed, reposition the suction cup above the other roller to lift the panel while adjusting. When the panel rollers are adjusted, slide the panel over to the lock jamb to the nearly closed position and check the reveal of the panel to the frame. The reveal should be even from the top to the bottom. If the reveal is not even, adjust the rollers as needed. Close and lock the vent panel. Install the hole plugs.